Yeah, man. Welcome. Good day, Jamaica. Good day. This is the team from the Electronic Wiz Mobile Tech Service. Says we are here installing security system on a 1998 International truck. The security system that we are installing in this particular unit will give the owner or owners real-time tracking of where the unit is, and along with the other units that they have. That is what you call fleet management. As we say, if you want our services, we are available 6 days of the week from Tuesdays to Sundays. We are on most social media network. You look up The Electronic Wiz, The Electronic Wiz Mobile Tech Services, and we can be reached at 876-546-2100. Check us out.